All right, and we're back. Today we're on the Sport Glide. We did the Street Glide shifter already the other day, and today we're going to take the Willie G off of the Sport Glide here and install the streamliner that came in that set of two that I picked up. So first things first, let's see if this will pop right off. I'll try that again. Let's get that going the right way. Oh, wow, that was, holy crap, that was loose. I didn't even notice that. I haven't ridden this bike in probably 2 months again because we've had crappy weather. It has not been agreeable. It's been relatively warm here. Well, when I say relatively, I mean in mid-40s, but the problem is it's been non-stop raining. We have had so much rain. Anybody in the New Jersey area want to buy some Willie G stuff? I have 18 up Softail. I have Willie G foot pegs, Willie G shifter, and eventually we're going to have a Willie G brake pad too that's coming off of this bike. All right, now that's off. Let me find, what wrench did I use? I think I used my adjustable the other. Yep, I used the adjustable. Very good. Here's the rag that I used. There's the adjustable. So now, again, we need blue Loctite. That one that came off had no Loctite at all on it. All right, this has plenty of Loctite now. Okay. And we'll do the same thing we did. Take it in by hand. Get that screwed in. And then, if I remember right, we had to have a metric. So that was a standard. The standard size on the Willie G is 3/16. And then the metric to go back on was 5mm, if I remember correctly. Let me take that out and check it and see. Yep, 5mm. Okay, let's run this in. Get back where we need it. All right, and then we ended up having to grip it with the wrench. Extra light on. I'll bring you over to the side how we did the Street Glide one. All right, now what we got to do is grab it with this to protect the finish, like so, and that'll hold it. Yeah, need a little extra clearance there. There we go. All right, now that'll hold it, and then we're just going to run it down like we did with the Street Glide, just to snug it and get it, stop it from pivoting while it turned. There we go. And then we'll test the fit. Okay, let's see what we got. Again, with my boat shoes. Oh yeah, that'll be perfect. That will be perfect. Watch, I think the spring is going on this Jiffy stand too. It's not, I believe it's stretched. All right, well, with that said, again, a quick, easy job, nothing to it. So that's done. The next video is going to be the brake pedal pad. Now, I've been looking at that, and I think I'm going to end up having to drill the stock brake pedal for the locator pin, as it looks to be in a different place than on the touring bikes. But simple hole, should be able to drill it without a problem, and then we'll go from there. All right, with that said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. You know, as I'm taking a lot of this Willie G stuff off of this bike, the only thing I'm probably going to end up leaving is that. I don't know if I can get that medallion off if I heat it up. because I need the cover. This is the air horn. So I should be able to heat this up like I did with the front fender trim, that big ass hood ornament, and then heat it up and then slowly peel it off and then clean it up with the Goo Gone. And then I still have to get a cover to replace for the primary, to get rid of that Willie G primary cover, because I don't want that on there either. So, and then we'll find a shifter that I like, and then we'll swap that out. All right, that's enough. I'll see you guys in the next video. Again, we'll be working on the brake pedal pad.